Today I'm gonna teach you Korean style ramen. Nothing special, it's just
Nothing special.
nothing special. Korean guys used to first soup inside and then waiting some.
Look at that. I would have
Yeah.
never done that.
Next is dried vegetable. Yeah.
Damn, it opens two at a time, too. Oh, wow. Chimpino about to be eaten good. On a scale from 1 to 10, how excited are you?
I'm 1000% excited. I love ramen.
You love ramen?
I love ramen. Only ramen. Only ramen.
Actually, ramen is not that good
love-
food for your health. Not that good. Okay, hold on a minute.
Uh-oh.
In Korean way.
Uh-oh, Korean way.
Put in the egg. The taste is much better. Okay, let's say in English, more mild taste.
So you need to put an egg in there. You let that marinate in there, you let that boil. Because you can't add the spices at the end.
What are we gonna do for a whole minute?
Put the green onion
Goodness.
like this, Korean style. Then the then stir. After boiling water, maybe 3 minutes later. Too much longer, the ramen is not that good, not chewy.
How do you hold the chopstick? Let me see. You're like a ninja.
Maybe 30 seconds later. So bring out your bowl in your kitchen.
Still got the bowl.
Maybe a good tasty one.
Give it a try.
How's it taste?
Good. 10 seconds.
Make it
10
taste like
more
you need 10
seconds.
more seconds.
7, 6.
Okay. Okay.
Like this?
Yes. Good.
You sure?
Good. Good. Good.
No forks.
Good. I'm
Oh my god.
You have to eat.
I don't eat that.
No, he doesn't eat that.
You don't eat.
No,
eat that.
that's all for him.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
I'll make something else.
Man, this is great. Take a little bite, man.
Yeah.
You try. For you.
This is for you. You are not hungry?
No, I'm good.
Oh.
I don't want to say I don't like ramen, but
Okay.
for you.
Okay. Actually, I'm hungry.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm hungry.
Tell me you're
I
busy.
bored both of you.
No,
But after walking, I should.
No, don't just eat. Don't worry about it. You need energy to eat. You need energy to work.
Mm.
Taste.
So on a scale of 1 to 10. 10 out of 10?
What is that?
Literally the best ramen I've ever had.
And you've had a lot of ramen.
Exactly.
This kid's lived off ramen since birth.
That's kind of racist, but yeah, it's true.
Well, it's not racist if it's true.
It's not. She likes it.
All right, I'm gonna edit that part out. That's not relevant here.